welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful leaf pot holder. It's reversible. You can use everywhere, and it's so not only pot holder, you can use as a decorative object. um, it's so simple to make. You can do that easily. You can, if you want to change its size, you can change your yarn and hook. I use here a chunky yarn. I want to give its measurements to you. 100 grams, it's 131 yards, 120 meters, 100% of acrylic. And this is bulky yarn. Category is 5, and they recommend us using 4 or 5 millimeter, but I use with this yarn 6 millimeter hook. You can wash in 30 degrees and low degree ironing. You can make it. If you want to make more smaller, you can change your yarn with more thinner and more little number of hook. It's nearly 40 centimeter. You can see my hand on it, but it's gorgeous. You can hang it from here. It's beautiful. I hope you like and you will try. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for your kind and great comments. If my video comes so speedy, please click here and slow me down, and you can change my videos voice or subtitles, which language you want from here. Okay, if you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful leaf pot holder. Let's start to crochet. I want to show you how you can change your hook and yarn, and the measurements, how it gets to change. This is yarn category is 5, and using 6 millimeter hook, its height is 40 centimeter, and I used same pattern, but I use here yarn category is 3 and using 4 millimeter hook. This is 25 centimeter. It's little. You can see that you can change it easily. Okay. I made 46 chains plus 1 only one time. Then we will start the first row, skip this first one, not count, start from the second and make single crochet. Insert your hook, grab your yarn, you have 2 loops, pull through all together and make single crochet. You will make 24 single crochet. 3, I made 24 single crochet. Chain 1 and not count. You will turn always chain 1 and not count. Then you will use always back loop. Using back loop and make 22 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is the 22. Okay, left ear 2. Then chain 1 and turn your work. We have here 22 stitches. We will take 2 from here and we will crochet totally 24 single crochet. Chain 1 and not count, using back loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I made 22 single crochet. Now I will add from previous here chain line. I want to come here and I need to insert from previous rows loop, because I don't want to see any holes. insert the next chain, grab my yarn. I have 2 loops, pull through all together and make single crochet. This is the 23rd and 24th. Then chain 1 and turn and make my single crochets using back loop. I will make 22 single crochet and left here 2 stitch again. Okay. I made 22 and left here 2 stitch. You can see that here. Now chain 1 and turn and do the same thing. You will crochet 22. When you come to end, add here from 2 stitches and plus 2 from here. You will have totally 24. We want to slide our stitches until come to end. Okay. You will crochet always 24, turn 22, 24, 22, 24, 22. You will repeat it until have here last 2 stitches. Okay. I will keep repeat and come here and turn to you. I keep repeat until left here 2 chains. My last crocheting 24. I take here 2 from and left here 2. Okay, now we will turn and collect all the stitches. We will collect from here 42 stitches. Chain 1 and turn my work. You know we have here 24. Not count this chain 1. Start from the back loop here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 24. Now we will collect these 2 and I will take previous row a loop and next loop. This is 25. Next one 26. Take a loop. 27 and 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 and take 1 from here, 43. Left this one here. I collect 43. I made single crochet, totally 43. Left here 1. Okay. And collect all of them. Now we will turn back to this side. Chain 1 and turn and make your single crochets. Not count this using back loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 39. previous row we crochet 43, chain 1 and turn, we crochet 39 and left here 4 stitches. Okay, now we will repeat the same thing from this part. Now here, chain 1 and turn your work, you will crochet 24 single crochet. Start from first one and using back loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 24. I crochet 24 single crochet. Now chain 1 and turn, we will crochet 22 and left here 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 22. Left here 2, as same as this side. Chain 1 and turn your work. You have here 22. Now you need to crochet 24. You will take 2 stitches from here. Not count this chain 1, start from the first one. 1, 2, always using back loop. 3, 4, 5, this is 22. I will take a loop from previous row and next stitch from this line. This is 23 and next one 24. Then do the same thing, turn with 22 and left here 2 stitch, then crochet 24, 22 from here, 2 from these stitches. You will keep repeat until come to the end of 2. I complete mine and turn to you. Okay, 22, 24, 22, 24, 22, 24, 22, 24. Okay, completed and turn to you. I keep crocheting until left here. Look at that. 1 stitch. You know we crochet here 39. So I come to the 38 stitch and left here 1. I will show you. I crochet 22, turn with 22 and take here 2 more, insert here, next loop, 23, next one, 24. Now left here 1, chain 1 and turn my work. Now we will again collect our stitches. We have here 24. Firstly we crochet them 1, 2, 3, 4. I crochet 24 single crochet. Now get this 2. Previous row I take a loop, 25, next one 26. Come to bottom 27 and 28. Bottom 29 and 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and last 2 chain here, you know, I take a loop from the previous rows here, 43 and 44. Now we will come to the last row and collect this last 2 stitch from here, you know, chain 1 and turn my work. I will crochet this 44, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 43, 44, take a loop from previous row here, 45, and my last stitch 46. We complete our leaf here. Now we will make here a hanger for you can put where you want in your kitchen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains. Make 8 chains and come to this bottom loops and this first stitch again. Make here 1 slip stitch, locked with chain 1, and you can cut your yarn. Also we can make it more longer, I think, not 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, it's okay. Bottom loops and this first loop, grab your yarn and make your slip stitch. Yes, it's more better. Chain 1 and lock your cut your yarn. Yes, this is our gorgeous. You can make a little ironing after, you can use where you want. This pot holder, it's so beautiful and so decorative and so beautiful, I think. Hope you like. And you will try that. I give all the details, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.